What's your most unnecessary personality trait? She said,
No, I'm not gonna say lie. That I'm loud.
you loud.
I feel like I'm
How
too
loud
loud.
are you?
Huh?
How loud are you?
Quite loud.
I'm trying to demonstrate.
Huh?
Demonstrate.
I must now start doing backflip screaming. Yeah, what do you
Yeah.
mean?
Go up to some random person, just scream something.
12 seconds later.
Ah! Hello guys! How are you guys? Are you fine? Why are you not fine?
You know what?
Run away! Full speed.
Jumbo for. We're not retarded, guys. We're not retarded. We're okay. We're fine. We're simple. She said,
Yeah, I'm looking like a good It's not funny. Why are you laughing?